In this video, we are going to talk about 10 different anime eyes. This is pretty much about I am drawing 10 different anime eyes. If you are also in watching anime and trying to create your own characters, so this is something you can try actually by your own. Eyes are very attractive and fun part to draw. All these different styles, I just choose them randomly, but if you like any of them, then you can try just as per your character. What type of character do you want? It's a heroic, it's a cute, and blah blah different types. If you pressure yourself to draw something very perfect, then maybe you end up nothing because you're afraid to draw. Don't really have high expectations from your drawings because then you may get frustrated. The great way is just draw. Just draw without any taking tension, and then maybe you get something very cool, awesome, or maybe perfect. Watch video till end because I have one more style of drawing eyes. Maybe you can call this video 11 styles, but it's extra or a bonus.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you break